today we're going to be doing the Bethesda Audio Override. So to get started, we're going to go and do a standard install first using GOG.com installer, which you should already have installed or downloaded. So the key here to this Bethesda Audio Override is that the DirectX install has errors. It doesn't run completely, so we have to find the files that need to be substituted and put them in to make the DirectX functionality for these Bethesda games work just great. So I'm going to take a little break from this installation process and show you the Bethesda games that work with this override. And so the override works like this. So first there is The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion, then there's Fallout 3, and then there is Fallout 4 and Skyrim. All these games benefit from this audio override to prevent the audio from being skippy. So with these hurdles and basic list taken care of, we're going to get started and get the audio override running. All right. So as we get started with the override, here we are. We're going to wine configuration. Now, I'm going to have a note file, and here it is. These are the files. You need to copy and paste the words into the wine configuration. The library tab, to be more specific. So you take the library tab, cut and paste these in. Then when you cut it in, you add it in, and make sure you apply so that it saves that setting. So you add, do copy and paste 4 times for each of these 4 files that didn't get installed with the DirectX component. There's the 4th one. Add after you paste it in, apply, and OK. So now it should work just great because you've added all the files that the DirectX installer failed to install. Hey, this is Kaos Nova. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this tip helps you when you get your Bethesda games working on Mac OS. In the meantime, stay tuned for more episodes of Kaostutorials. Be safe out there, and I'm going to be signing off.